The some other controls we have in a ad manager itself. Go to business tools. We already learned ad manager, billing and account. Event manager. For example, if you have created any events, okay, if you like to analyze those events, okay, you can able to check them here itself. So far we haven't created any events, so we are not having that event related activities. Similarly, you can check the audience, like you can set the audience for your future ads. Okay, you already learned that how to create an audience by using a here itself. The same way we can also create a audience here. You can create an audience, okay, custom audience or a localized audience, lookalike audience, those who are visiting your website like that, okay, or special audience. You can create an audience, okay, by selecting this one, create audience option. You can like source from where you like to take an audience, like a offline activity or customer list, or from website, or from the Instagram account, or lead, or shopping, or on Facebook listing or Facebook page. Okay, like this we can create a audience, okay, for your particular page visitors. Okay, only you like to target them in future, okay, so that you will be able to create an audience, okay. New visitors. Okay, so we have been selected. For example, we say people who viewed product in my catalog, message about a product in my catalog, like this, and we can create a audience. So those who have been visited your service page, you have been created, right? In that particular service page, those who have visited, that particular audience has been created. For this particular audience we can create a ads also. Okay, in ad we can use this particular audience. This is how we can create an audience. Okay, for example, you like to analyze the page posts we have been done so far. You can analyze them here itself. Page posts, select that one. It will check what are the published pages. These are the posts you have been published so far, how much reach, how many of them click. Okay, like this it will be show. Similarly, you can take a page. Okay, you have to select the page, which page you are looking for. We have been created two page. You can see so far we have been posted like this, how many reach we have been got. Similarly, add reach also you can select here itself. Okay, these are the ads we have been published and how they have been reached. Organic reach, it is not about a due to some like a promotion. Without promoting, how many of them visited, that particular thing we can check by using this particular section. That is nothing but a post page posts.